Hello guys, welcome back to
our
channel.
Today we'll be playing
Don't press the button 4. Here we go. And we already died, so no need. Sis?
Yeah. And we'll guess you guys when the game starts.
Oh, it already started, sorry.
What do we have to do here?
I don't know. We're dinosaurs. Look, we're dinosaurs.
What do we have to do when we're dinosaurs?
Knowledge. I'm gonna stay here.
How do you know they were gonna say that?
Okay, get ready. Get ready. Oh, snowball fight. Who wants a snowbally? Snowball. Sis, why are you just staying there? Jose. Sis.
What?
I have a question.
What?
I love ice cream. Go.
Bro, me too.
Intelligence me. No! I was the winner.
Hi.
Hi. And by the way, y'all, I don't know what's going on.
Write it in the comments. Respect. What?
It was somebody.
What was their name?
I don't know. Watch out. Oh, potato.
I die.
Yeah, me too. The potatoes were so unexpected.
Potato was hard.
Stay at the top for the longest time.
No.
What am I even supposed to do?
You're supposed to climb up.
How dare you? You know what? I'm gonna spam jump so she doesn't get me. Bro. Stop that.
And just spam jumping, you know.
Spam jump.
Spam jump.
Yes. Let me cook.
I died. I died.
Okay, I died too. Sis, you're alive again, just so you know. Bro.
I was alive for so long. I'm spam jumping. Spam jumping. Spam jumping.
Spam jump.
I fell.
I died, and then I came back to life.
How could that exist?
Let's be the most annoying spam jumpers ever.
Yes, we won!
No, we didn't. Hurry, cross the bridge before it's too late. Oh my god, y'all. The bridge is falling apart.
Oh, I fell.
I died.
Me too.
Now I cannot cross the bridge. There's no bridge. There's nothing. There's everything but a bridge. Jump over the laser.
I'm so ready. It was hard.
Bro, it's so fast.
Oh, what?
Don't fall off.
I hate this.
Cool. What am I supposed to do?
Just kidding. You're just jumping to the next block. Oh, but it changed areas.
It's easy. Like, brother, this doesn't make sense. Like, give me a harder level. It's too hard. Easy. Haha. Very, very, very easy. Can literally stay on the corner and not fall. See? Y'all, comment a game in the comments because we hardly choose this game. Damn, what?
Oh,
Okay, it was so fast, y'all.
yeah, it was bad.
Wow, look. Wait a second. What is this door? Sis, look, there's a door. And I have a taco. One place like there.
No,
What? Watch out for the spikes. Where
I
the heck?
hate these.
Oh no. These are just at this point easy.
Yep. It's not.
I can go
funny.
anywhere. Y'all, if you guys call me brave, I'll do it. I'll go on the red. Woo! What? I was not even on that spike. Y'all, it was a dare that I chose to do, cause yeah. And if you're wondering what is like going on, I'm just basically playing around with these thingies. I know what they're called, but they're like toys.
I'm still in, just so you know that.
Good.
I pressed it.
Bad weather. Oh,
Oh.
I'm not going that map. I'll just stay here. This is too much scary.
For the small ones. I never saw a word. La da da la.
Y'all, look at the lightning. It's actually bad.
Oh, I did.
Look. Y'all, we don't see because we're here. There, now we see. Okay. It's gone anyway. What? What's this guy doing?
Yeah, slide.
What? Slide? Where is the slide? We let him cook.
La da da la da.
Damn, who said I was going to heaven? Slidey. Slide. I landed back here. Reach to the mountain top.
I don't think I'm gonna win this.
I swear if I could fly, I would literally fly right now and go there. I wish I had...
Oh, I hate these small snowballs. Snowballs. Please.
And people who are watching in the Philippines, good job, y'all. I always wanted to get views out of countries that I'm not even in right now. Where am I? Where am I supposed to go?
I'm cooked. Do you know why?
Sis, I just literally spawned here and I don't know what to do right now. So I'm just gonna... Y'all, I don't see myself. Okay, I see myself, but I don't see myself where my sister is, so I'm gonna fall down. And I can't even fall down.
I think this is not possible.
Let me down. Let me down. Let me down. I'm innocent. I've done nothing.
Oh, it's cool.
Child. She's building a wall. Alien. Let go of me. Let go of me. No, they're taking me in. I'm not going there. I'm not going there. get to the top.
Um,
Yeah, what is there? A hamburger or
I
something?
almost went to different one, but then
I would
know.
like a hamburger
1, 2,
at the top of this tower.
3, 4,
Bro.
5, 6,
Miss Ma'am,
7, 8.
how am I supposed to not fall when the thingies are like 10 centimeters small? And there's a bacon in front of me. The bacon turned invisible. What the heck is going on? What? Watch out for the snowballs.
No,
I don't see a single thing. It's Christmas. The Christmas is horrifying. Yeah, that's why it's snowing. Such a great reason. The Christmas. This year's Christmas has been having the biggest snowflakes ever. Look at them. They're like ice cream balls. I'm just standing here and I never got hit by the snowball.
I think this was a little bit too long.
Damn, wait. Okay. The weather broadcasting system has been finding some random big snowballs in the middle of the street, and that was terrifying. Reached the end, only one ridge is safe. What? What am I supposed to do? I can't walk. There. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Everything good there?
Nah.
Did you fall?
Yeah.
Good. I'm sorry, no. Sorry. I'm sorry. Where am I supposed to go? No, I won! I won! Get ready! What am I supposed to do? Get to bottom. There's nothing I can do, so.
Yes, you do.
I don't have to do anything.
You don't have to do anything, right?
No, there are some thingies there.
Yeah, I know.
Waldo. Galileo. Every day's a trial, baby. Okay.
Oh my god.
I'm good. I died. My head only touched it. Okay, what are you guys doing here? Y'all are having fun in the daylight. We were like in the dark. Find the 4 missing gears to fix the button. Where the heck?
What do we have to do?
We have to find 4 missing gears to fix this button. I can't. My legs just broke off. The button has been repaired. Good. Good job. Stand still in 1, 0. Stand still. Still. Escape the burning building. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to get out the door. No. We're getting closer to the fire. No. Since I fell because there's nothing I can do. No. It's too hard, I know.
Yeah, it's hard.
So hard, I'm telling you guys. So y'all will be ending the video right here. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Guys, see you guys next time. Bye.